Upgrading your car's factory speakers is just as crucial a step to building your system as getting subwoofers and amps. Despite what some woofer hardos think, it's not all about bass. You need balance, and you achieve that with strong mids and clean highs with excellent imaging and staging. Sony's XS-GS1631C flagship high-performance three-way component speaker system features two 6.5-inch woofers, two 3.5-inch mid-range drivers, two 1-inch soft dome tweeters, and two external crossovers. For power, the components require a very solid 65 watts RMS each side, 120 watts RMS per set, with a 4 ohm impedance. And the best way to get the most of the system is with an external amplifier. I recommend a 4-channel as this system is bi-amp capable. Channels 1 and 2 for your woofers, and 3 and 4 for your mids and tweeters. Each of the woofers and mid-range drivers feature a reinforced aramid fiber cone to deliver focused mid-range definition and strong mid-bass punch, even when being pushed hard in high-volume playback. 6.5-inch speakers are probably the most commonly used speaker size in cars and trucks, so these will fit in a lot of vehicles perfectly. The woofers have a mounting depth of only 2 1/4 inches and come with optional grills, so they're easy to install. Now, for what sets this system apart from a two-way component set, the beautiful 3.5-inch mid-range drivers, powered by a compact neodymium magnet. You can find a home in a compact space with its limited 7 7/16 inches in depth, but Sony doesn't provide you with grills, so these are going to have to go in a stock location, or you can build your own grill. The 3.5-inch driver does the heavy lifting, running from 500 to 5,000 hertz. So try to get this one on axis for incredible staging. The 1-inch soft dome synthetic fiber tweeters, on the other hand, focus on your highs, revealing crisp details your factory speakers could only hope and dream to reproduce. They come with 2 sets of optional housings, surface mount and angled surface, to fit any kind of interior. The system also includes a pair of 3-way external crossovers, which send clean highs and full lows to your speakers and woofers. Sony seriously raises the bar compared to their competitors in car audio. The XS-GS1631C has a frequency range of 30 to 30,000 hertz, meaning all that high-res audio that you purchased is going to be brought to you with more detail, imaging, and greater fidelity that you simply can't get with factory speakers in their frequency range and subpar dispersion patterns. This system is no joke, and you're going to have to drop about $400 on it, but trust me, it's worth it. Stay tuned because we may have an installation on these speakers coming soon. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.